All right, down at the folks' place. Dad's got his truck here. It won't start. He called me yesterday, says it's been acting up a little. He called me, wouldn't start. He says it's been doing it for 3 or 4 times now. He'll turn the key to start, get nothing, and he'd jiggle the shifter. It's an automatic. He'd jiggle the shifter and then it'd crank and go. But so he's thinking maybe like a neutral safety switch or something, but comes to find out it's the starter motor. So I checked it with my power probe. I've got power to the starter on the battery terminals, and then when he cranks it, I've got power at the little solenoid terminal. So I took my power probe and I could shoot power to the start terminal and then tap it with a hammer, fires right up. So we'll get this starter changed. I'll show you how to do it. Pretty simple. All right, step 1. You can disconnect the batteries. That's all we need is that hot cable down there jumping around and sparking and showering us with fun. So get these unhooked. We'll get down there. So here we are. This one is a Phillips screw that holds the little signal wire on. We'll get that busted loose and out of here. And then the nut that holds the big wire on, I've got an 11/16 wrench. Fits it okay. I'm pretty sure it's a 17, but I don't have a 17, so there's that one. And then we'll get this one busted loose. And if you're lucky, you might get one that doesn't leak oil over everything. But, you know these old Dodges with the Cummins, there ain't no oil under them. Ain't none in them. So I'll get this busted loose, and then these mounting bolts are 10mm 12 points. We'll get those off, we'll get this out of here. Okay, this will just sneak out of here, and I'll go get the new one. One thing I like to do before you go fishing a brand new starter up in there is compare it with your old one, make sure your new one's the right one. And this one looks good. So this will be good for another couple years because they don't seem to make starters that are worth a crap anymore. There we go. Got her there. Yeah, this starter's not horrible to do. The 42 MTs they put in semi trucks is super fun to do by yourself on your back like this. go. Take this guy off of here. All right. Okay, get these tools cleaned up. We'll get back up there and hook up the batteries. I'll get these hooked up. Bad part about it is now the radio presets are all gonna be messed up, so really have to screw the customer on that one. Better than burning his truck to the ground, so get this one tightened up. I'll get this one tightened up and we'll go for a crank. All right, here we go. You might get a free cold start video out of it. Come on, baby. Wasn't too cold last night, so we'll see how long this runs. Well, look at that. All right, there we have it. Truck's back running. We're ready for work tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys.